Hi there, it's Grant here, and in this quick video I just want to show you the power of this new feature that Jasper AI have brought out in, I think it's beta, and it is their chat feature where basically you can talk to its AI and it will give you content that you want. It's very similar to ChatGPT, and I'm sure Jasper AI have done this so they can compete with ChatGPT. I've only been testing it recently, so I'm not an expert with it, but you know, I think it's pretty cool. I mean, here's something I did earlier. I just wanted them to, I said, write me a 200-word email about Bitcoin for crypto investors, and this is what it spat out in about 10 seconds. And it was pretty cool. So let's do something else. So let's say write me 300 words article about healthy vegan recipes for vegans. Let's see what it chucks out. So it could take, 10 to maybe 30 seconds depending on the complexity. And also, the better you sort of communicate with the AI, just like ChatGPT, so the better your probs, the better the content is going to be. So let's have a look at what it chucked out. It says veganism. I'm not going to read it all because I'll bore you to death. I'm just flash reading it. So yeah, it's pretty darn good. I mean, obviously you wouldn't just take this and put it on your blog, but you can, you could take this, adjust it, either do it yourself or give it to your team members. They can adjust it and tweak it. I mean, obviously for me to write this from scratch, to research it, to get a draft out, could take an hour and a half. This has been done in 10 to 30 seconds. So I can go in, spend 15 minutes tweaking it, and I could have this up on my blog, potentially within half an hour. Let's do another one. So let's write me a 200-word story-based email. No, sorry. Yeah, story-based email. About. This is a bit of a weird one. I just want to see what he writes in crypto. Let's see what it comes up with. I just said story because I know stories sell really well. So let's see what Jasper can come up with. So it's not really story, so I probably wasn't fair on the system, but you get the idea. My prompt probably wasn't very good there, but as you can see, this is what, Jasper AI's new chat tool can do. So rather than using the templates, you can just come in here. So let's just write me powerful, benefits-driven line for my multi. Let's see what Jasper comes up with this. It's completely off the cuff. Write me a powerful benefit-driven sales letter headline for my new multivitamin supplement. So let's see what Jasper does with this. Unleash your health potential with our all-in-one boost. So yeah, not bad, not bad. So basically, you know, you wouldn't just take this and put it on your sales letter or send it out to your list or put something on your blog, but it just gives you a place to start, gives you ideas. So basically, if I did have my own multivitamin supplement I'm selling, I'm doing a sales page, you know, I could just take this, just maybe add something a little more unique, maybe add a big idea, just to make it a little more punchy for what I want. So yeah, I've only been using this recently, but I really like it. This is basically Jasper's version of ChatGPT, and I think the better you communicate with Jasper's AI, the more powerful, the better the content is going to be. If you didn't know, Jasper AI actually runs on the same software that ChatGPT runs on. So it's effectively getting the power of chat through Jasper AI, but with all of the help tools and everything like that to help you get the most out of Jasper. Anyway, so that is a quick snapshot of how Jasper AI Chat works. It's pretty cool. I like it. And I think it could, you know, potentially save you a lot of time coming up with new content ideas, whether it's for emails, blog posts, articles, sales letters, headlines, titles for your YouTube videos, whatever. So yeah, big thumbs up. Anyway, if you want to get a 5-day trial, free trial to Jasper AI, what I'll do is I'll put a link down in the description. You just click the link, choose a pay plan to go on. But you know, you get 5 days to try. So if you don't like it, you can cancel before you get billed. But I really like Jasper. It really helps me run my business because it can just crank out content really, really quickly. Anyway, that's what I've got for you. I hope you found this video useful and informative, and I'll